Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be here with you guys. Happy Wednesday, and say hi to Davey, my little Tweety bird. You guys ask me all the time about how's Davey, how's Davey. I know I haven't had him up in a video in so freaking long. I actually have a channel specifically to him and like my pets. I'll have that linked below, but anyways, I thought he would just kind of join us for my intro here, since you guys miss him. So send him some love down below. Tell him how much you love. I keep calling him, but she's a girl. Tell her how much you love her down below. Anyways, today I'm super excited because we're doing a getting ready with me / trying new Essence makeup. They have palettes, face palettes, eye palettes, just new drugstore makeup is what I'm testing out and trying on, which is super exciting because I actually ended up loving everything. Everything is so freaking good. So I hope you really enjoy the video. If you're new, hi, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also go say hi to me over on Instagram and TikTok. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. I am so pumped up, excited to get into these things. Look at this, so much. So I'm first gonna spray my face with this Derma E Create Skin Beneficial Mist Mood Enhancing Mist. Has a bunch of good properties. I love Derma E, and I've been testing this out, and this just feels so nice to put on my face. So that's why I'm putting it on. Okay, so we're getting ready together. I'm so excited because I have a ton of like new drugstore products, like Essence, so I'm super excited. So I'm gonna start with the Milani Weekend Brow. I absolutely love this, and I'm gonna start doing my brows because I didn't do that. Here we go. I love this. I have gone back and forth and tested out the, what's it called? The Glossier brow. And the Milani one is 10 times better, in my opinion. It's easier to use than the Glossier one. So if you're wondering, I'm so freaking excited. So I had my youngest daughter, she's 1 now, right before there was that lockdown, the COVID lockdown. And so I haven't traveled, haven't gone anywhere for over a year. But in a couple weeks, I'm going to Florida for a family reunion, and I'm so freaking excited. You guys have no idea, like, it's gonna be so fun. I'm gonna share it with you guys on Instagram, so make sure you follow me over there. So they have the Essence Water, Essence Earth, Essence Water, Essence Fire. So they have a palette for every single element, Essence Air. And I thought we'd kind of dip into these. This one's kind of cool because it's a bunch of like lavenders and pinks. That one's pretty, the Air one. Here's the Fire one, of course, the warm fiery colors. We have the Essence Water with the blues. Maybe I'll do something with this palette today, something blue. I haven't done that in a long time. And then we have the Earth with all the earthy tones there. So I think I might just use, oh, the Earth one is literally all shimmers. I've primed my lids. I'm getting into Fire, and I'm getting into this color right here. All right, so let's see what happens. I thought these weren't going to be pigmented, but that's not bad. Yeah, these aren't bad. These are super pigmented. I mean, that color is really pigmented. Wow. I'm impressed. All right, I guess I'm gonna get into this blue color right here. I don't even know what to do because there's not even enough mattes to create something that's not a crazy look. Like I feel regardless, it's gonna be something a little more out there. It's okay, we'll do it. I'm trying to be very light. Just like you guys, I can't just blotch on color. Like I get nervous too. I think I want to go into this like super light color. So I'm going to get into that. I have this eyeshadow brush from Essence. I'm not going to spray my brush. I'm going to see what this baby can do. This is nice. I'm impressed with these palettes. This is nice. These palettes are nice. This Earth palette has this like cream shade, so I'm going to put that right underneath the brows. It's like a white creamy shade. I have this mascara. This is the e.l.f. Lash It Out Loud mascara. I've heard so many things about it. Everybody loves it. Everybody's raving about it. So I had to try it for myself. So that's what we're doing. Here we go. Curl my lashes. It's lengthening. It's nice. I wouldn't say it's like, I mean, it does catch all the lashes. So that's good. It's like catching on everyone. I'm gonna have to curl them again because they look a little ragged. But that's not bad, you guys. I actually kind of like that. That's not bad. Okay, skin. I'm gonna put on the Flower Beauty Supernova Celestial. Probably a little too much. I can tell already. This is going to give my skin a glow. Like a beautiful. Because it's a mousse, I feel like it's like you can't see the shimmer. It's like a glow, but it's so fine that you won't be able to see it. Yeah, so you can see how glowy my face is. So freaking glowy. All right. Let's put this baby on. One of the best drugstore foundations, I think. Wow, I feel like I possibly put on a little too much. Putting on the Wet n Wild Incognito concealer. This one is so good. I love it so much. I'm gonna put it on like this. And I'm gonna be putting the Winky Lux powder foundation. I did a whole review on this, but I'm putting this all over a majority of my face to set my makeup and add that glow. If you haven't seen the review, I'll put it up on an iCard. It's pretty freaking good. But I would use it as a foundation topper rather than just like a foundation on its own. So they had 3 more Essence palettes. They had the Pure Nude Sun Lighter palette. Looks like this. 2 blushes, 2 bronzers. They have the Sun Club Matte Bronzing palette. So we can totally contour with that. And then they had the Pure Nude Highlighting palette right here. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna first contour, and these palettes, this palette even, these face palettes even have a mirror, which I think is amazing. But I'm gonna start by getting into this one right here. Super pigmented. And add a little bit of that lightest one to see. Yeah. The two lightest ones mixed together are really pretty. Oops. Maybe went a little too dark with that one. I'm gonna try to maybe bronze with this, but this might be too light. So I'm gonna try just a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Did that a tiny bit. Okay, and I'm gonna use this blush right here. That one. This is like a blush and highlight all in one. Like I don't even need a highlight with that blush. What does the highlights look like? Yeah, I don't even think I'm gonna dip into this highlight palette. I'll have to save that. I'm gonna put a little more of this Essence blush. This is a new blush. This is the Beloved. Put a little bit more of that on top so that it can shine through a little bit more. There we go. But yeah, that's like a highlight and blush all in one. Pretty much what that is. I had two liners from Essence, the Peachy Keen and Lost in Love. I think I'm gonna go with Peachy Keen. And put that on. Okay, I look like a crazy person with these. Okay, so the four colors I got Reef, Stone, Moon, and Amber. I'm kind of, ooh, wait a minute. Moon has like an iridescence to it. It has like, almost like a duochrome, which might work really well with my look right now. So let's go with Moon. Wow, these are nice. I can already tell I really like these glosses. Wow. These glosses feel so nice. Wow, okay, so let's swatch this. So this one's Moon. This is the one I'm wearing right now, and they all have pretty good pigment to them. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed. I like this one. It has sheer, you can see the liner underneath. I'm kind of liking this one. Okay. I hope you guys really like how this look turned out, and I actually really did like everything. And I'm super excited about these face palettes because like the blush, the bronzer, they all seem really nice and they're so freaking affordable. And these glosses, oh my gosh, this color in Moon, you need to try, you need to get. You need it in your life. It's so freaking good. So I am super excited. I love how like glam. What do you think? Do you think I look glam? What do you think? Do you think I look glam? I love how glam and like full coverage and put together I look, and expensive, and everything was drugstore. And I'm talking about like cheap drugstore. Like Essence is like cheaper on the drugstore side. And I love how I look right now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye.